Imagine patient comes to you and asking you which laxative is to be chosen with respect to his body type, Prakriti, and you know nothing except Gandharva Haritiki. What a shame it would be. Because in my college, I was always taught to prescribe Gandharva Haritiki and बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया तो Panchasakar Churna, and how it worked, I never knew. Because students like me and you are never groomed to think comprehensively, rationally to a wider scale, to a wider bandwidth. How can we even exploit other laxatives if we don't even know how many of them are available in the market? Some why they say that we should start our practice with the minimal drugs. But to choose one drug, we should have knowledge of other options also. So today, which laxative is to be chosen in which condition with respect to the body type, I'm going to tell you this thing. See, in Ayurveda, laxative is chosen based on the cause of constipation, toxin accumulation, which you can say arm, strength of the patient, urgency of elimination, and dominancy of dosh. So here I've chosen some Ayurvedic laxatives. Please have a look at it. Each of these drugs have a specific role to play, depth of action and intensity. So here is a practical comparison among them. First, I'll talk about Haritki, where Haritki is the main functional ingredient which normalizes Apan Vayu without any force, works as Rasayan by improving colon tonicity over time, and also does Deepan Karma because of its hot potency. So it primarily does Vata Shaman, Kapha Shaman, and if taken in low dosage then balances all three doshas. But there is one thing which is to be taken care of. Avoid overuse of it because it may cause more dryness, and in turn which may elevate more vata. Now I'll talk about Gandharva Haritiki, where main functional ingredient is Haritiki and Arand Tel, which you can say castor oil. This castor oil brings out snigdha variation by lubricating colon pakwashan, acts as Vatahar, Anulomak and Rechak. Now when it is to be chosen, this is the main question. So if patient is suffering from painful constipation, gas, bloating and have lots of dryness in the body, use Gandharva Haritiki because it significantly decreases Vat and moderately cough and keeps Pitta neutral. So if patient has severe Vat issue, then choose this Gandharva Haritiki. Third one is Panchasakar Churna, where main functional ingredient is Trivrita Shunti, Sandav Lavan and Swarnapatri. It stimulates colon, Pakwashay, which is brought by Swarnapatri because of its Rechak property. Removes Am by Deepan Pachan property of Shunti and Sandhav, and also opens channel, Srotas cleansing, which is brought by Lavan by breaking obstructions. So if patient is telling you, doctor, every time I feel like I want to go to washroom but nothing comes out, and if something does, then it is very sticky or mucousy stool. He feels like there is a lot of mucus in his colon. And he says, doctor, I feel heavy most of the time. I'm tired of this sluggish digestion, sluggish motion. Please do something for this chronic heavy constipation. In this case, you can go with Panchasakar Churna. You will get fabulous results. So in case of arm and mucousy stool, you can choose Panchasakar Churna because the ingredients which are present in this Panchasakar Churna very efficiently pacifies cough, vat and arm.